That's a bad idea. I don't think you should do that.
Yeah, it's so annoying. You can't slide. You gotta walk with your legs.
Oh God, why would someone want to do this?
Oh, Julian. Okay, he's good.
God, don't die. That's like all I ask.
I will feel extremely responsible.
These cool pictures. See those feet.
Oh,
Oh God. I would have died by now.
this is where it sucks, is the wire starts going up.
He's like
God.
shaking. Is it hard to hang on?
Are you videoing it, Molly?
It hurts with your legs more than anything. Julian, drop your feet. Tuck and drop your feet.
Oh God!
Oh my God!
No, Julian, get up and drop your feet.
Don't die! Molly, help him!
Oh my God!
No, he's good. Yeah, drop your feet, Julian.
Swing!
Drop your feet. There you go.
Slippery rocks! Yeah, Julian!